Hello, beautiful people. Future me. You know what's going on, so let's get on with it. Okay, 4 minutes. 2%. Nice. Nice. What I was trying to do was to focus on it without letting my mind wandering off too much. And I think it helped this type of concentration. I did not exactly concentrated on a thought of not making mistakes and how much high the percentage here will be, but on the character and the word itself. It helped, I think. Okay, So that was that, and now we will randomly pick what I will do next, and it is SQL tutorial. Okay. There's only 3 schools. Okay. Did I saved any SQL tutorial to my... No. Okay. So SQL tutorial, there's some exercise. I would like to have some tool on my machine, not just to fill it in here. Something that I can connect to, maybe from my IntelliJ or some other environment, something which I can save somewhere as a project, and might help me track my progress as well. So with our online SQL editor. Okay. I did install some SQL tool, I remember. So I have the SQL Server Management Studio. I'll teach you how to SQL in MySQL, SQL Server, MS Access, Oracle, Database, Infinite, Postgresql, and other database systems. SQL is standard language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. But those should have like some specifics, I believe. There are SQL references. Some certificates. Okay. Tutorial. There's a SQL tutorial on tutorials point, and there are these long videos. Geeks for Geeks. I like the format they had. And Java T-Point. SQLtutorial.net. Before you start practicing, what is this? Assuming that you're already aware what the database is, especially the RDBMS, and what is a computer programming language. I don't know what the RDBM is. What is SQL, SQL process, SQL command. What do we have next? And what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Geek Week. Biggest festival. What is happening? Well, I don't want to look at that currently. Basics, functions, injections, there are some like variants, I think. Basically, what is this? Courses? Okay. SQL training. And there is some text. Okay. And I can verify. What is this? How is what? I'm logged in. I am. Interesting. Job deployment. What is this? Maybe some advertisement. SQL does. There's a list. It looks a lot like the thing on a geek. The geeks. One is Code Academy. Manipulation, queries, and so on. Getting started with the SQL server. Okay, this looks nice. This one looks like what is the that is by Microsoft. SQL server. I like the structure they have. Getting started and so on. This is the BG admin, I think, was the thing I installed. BG admin 4. Starting BG admin 4 server. We are currently running version. We are currently running version 4.9 PGM 4. However, the current version is 4.13. How is it possible that I have higher version? Okay. Well, let's start. What is SQL? SQL can do. SQL is standard, but although SQLNS is standard, there are different versions of SQL language. However, to be combined with the ANSI standard, they also support the latest major commands like update, delete, and so. Okay. Okay, most of the SQL databases provide their own proprietary extensions in addition to SQL standard. For the website that shows data from a database, you will need a database program, MS Access, SQL Server, MySQL, to use server-side scripting language like PHP, ASP, to use SQL. To get data you want, use HTML, CSS to style the page. That is the thing I want. Oh. Okay. Install Postgresql. I think I have that. That was included. And then there's a pgadmin. Okay. So I think I have that one installed. Okay, I think I will do this. I'm not sure, I just got a feeling, so we'll try that. And I'll close all others. Cancel. Okay, let's do this. Welcome to Postgres tutorial. This Postgres tutorial helps understand Postgresql quickly if you learn Postgres fast enough. Solve them creatively if you are looking for easily. Okay. Unique features of PostgreSQL that make it the most advanced open source database management system. Okay. SQL. SQL Wikipedia, that might be a good place to start. Okay, I just start with this and see. Unique features PostgreSQL make it the most advanced open source database management system. Basic. First you will learn the query data single table using data selection techniques as selecting columns, sorting results, and filtering rows. Then you will learn such and such. Section 1. If you are new to Postgres, follow 3 easy steps to Postgres. Second, install PostgreSQL. Okay, so here is the brief overview of what it is. User-defined types, table inheritance, sophisticating shit. That makes Bluefish stand out. Okay, so they are selling me the product I have already. Not needed, thank you. Okay, second, install PostgreSQL. I think I have it. I think I got that. Cool. Postgres 11, got it. And what else? Okay, here is the installation. Second, all enter information to the server, database port, use password, exit the center, not that you press. Third, select version, you will see this thing. Okay, so we can try that. SQL. So I do bam, 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 and now select version, like so. Yep. 11.4.4. Okay. So we've got that down. So I have it installed. That is good. Okay, and connect Postgres to SQL database server. Okay, so again the SQL shell thingy. Second, enter an server such as server, database port, username and password. Set up during the. We did that already. Okay, so this is the PSQL. There's a shell. Connect the Postgres database using pgadmin. Second way to connect the database is using pgadmin application. By using the pgadmin application, you can interact with Postgres via intuitive user interface. Following us is how to connect. So I have that in here. Okay. Second record now selects create server menu to create a server. Okay, can do that. And I will split it like so. This is the tutorial as well. So there's a servers. Right click, create a server. Not now, thank you. Name will be Postgresql. SQL. Click to a connection tab. Okay. Postgresql. We have Postgresql. Then we have the connection. Enter the host and password for the Postgres user. Connection. We will do local host. This, that. Okay. And click save button. Okay. Okay, so table. No, I want to see the databases, and we did something in here. Cast, catalogs, event extensions for language schemas. Okay, still don't know what's happening in there, so we will use this guy over here. We created that, and now we are here in the databases. We have the Postgres thing. Fifth, click on the servers node. Okay, expand the server. Named Postgres shown as below. We do. Sixth, open the query tool. Ah, there's a query tool. This guy. And oh, two ways to do it. And the tools, query tool. Or I can press this guy. Okay. Should be alright. So I got it. Seventh, enter the query and execute. Okay, select version. Go. Oh, and execute, refresh. Visual C++, okay. It looks as the thing we should have get. F5 is running the query. Okay. this is the data output. There are some other things. Connect to Postgresql database from other applications. Any application that supports ODBC or JDBC. What the hell is that? This is Postgres. You will learn how to interact with Postgres database using. Maybe not now. Connect. In addition, you develop application that use this appropriate driver application can connect. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect the Postgresql database server using different client tools, including PSQL and pgadmin UI application. Let's explore the PostgreSQL. Install, connect. Third, download the Postgres sample database. Okay. We will introduce you to Postgres sample database you can use for learning and practice. You will use the DVD rental database to demonstrating the features of PostgreSQL. The DVD rental database represents the business process of a DVD. There's many objects including tables and some other stuff. Here's some diagram. So here are 15 tables. Those, okay. You can download the Postgres rental sample via the following link. And here's the printable ER diagram. Okay. I'll download it, so it will be def. Oh, well, there's something. PostgreSQL. Okay. Study. Here, please. Save. So you need to extract. So you need to extract it to DVD rental tar before loading the sample. Okay, so we will do this. Well, first of all, I'll open it. Okay, there's a tar, so we will extract it. Here, yes, why not? Bye. Load. So there's the before going for Postgres server installed, I have the DVD rentals to do. Okay, that's the download link, right? Yes, it is. You need to create a new DVD. Okay. So you need to create a new before loading those. First, launch the PSQL tool. Second, okay, so we will do the create database DVD rental. Execute. Okay. Now what? Load the PSQ tool. I want to load it using PHP. Okay, so there's one database. So probably did not create database. I don't see it in here. Or do I have to, yes, road. Servers, Postgresql, and now we have 4 things in here. 4 template, Postgres. Okay, so I have that. Load the DVD using the PHP. You can use the PHP restore database sample. Following steps. So find the PG admin, connect to the Postgresql. I have. Right click on the DVD rental. There's a restore menu. Okay, clicked. Then path to the file. So we will do so. It is on C. Def. There's a Postgresql study. Here should be the file. Here should be the file, but it's not. So Postgresql study should be in a tar, right? Select. Okay, so let's see. And that is def Postgresql study DVD rental tar. What's the matter? I don't know. Number of jobs. And click the restore. File could not be found. Well, I see it here. Restore. Custom or tar. See. What? Okay. Here. Def. Postgresql study. I have here the files, so I don't know what's going on. See the Postgresql study, and here's the tar file, but I cannot see it in here. I don't know why. Anyway, 40-minute mark, so that means we are done, and done is better than perfect. We did something, so it's good. Okay, bye.